How to create a video with pictures and music on Capcut. What is up everybody? Today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily do that. Without any further delay, let's just jump into the video. So simply go ahead and open up your Capcut first and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you open up your Capcut, all you have to do is create a new project. Now from here, just click on New Project. So here I'm on the Photos tab and I'm going to select certain pictures from here. And once you have selected your pictures, you can just go ahead and click on Add. Now it will be added to your timeline and you'll see the distance between pictures as well. If you click on the icon right between the pictures, you can add different transitions as well. So just select the transition that you want to add. I'm not going to do that right now. Now to add music, click on Add Audio. Now go to Sounds. You can add sounds from TikTok itself, or if you want, you could add sounds from your phone. So click on this file icon, and you can extract audio from a video that you've uploaded here. Go to TikTok, you can log into your TikTok and add sounds from there as well. Or you could just tap on your saved sounds to add sounds from your saved. So I'm just going to add this sound right here. Now click on Add. Once you do that, just make sure that it fits on all the pictures. So let me just quickly hold on to it, move it to the timeline right position. And now you can adjust the length of your video. So if I want it to be, let's say 7 seconds, I'm going to leave it there. If I want it to be like 8 to 9 seconds, I'm going to leave it there. And if I want this to be a certain 10 seconds, and I just want this to be around 12 seconds. All right. Once that is done, click on your audio. Now you can hold on to it and adjust its sides so that it fits on your video. So if I play this, now the music will start playing and your video will also be changed. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.